Alright, hey guys, what's up? We are back here at my grandma's house, here in her basement. And here's her garage door opener. Now, here's what's going on. Unfortunately, my grandma is going to be moving to Kentucky, close to me. So I thought I would make a video of this garage door opener. Oh, and by the way, look what I found. Here. Found two of these remotes, but only this one works, this one doesn't. I don't think it's the battery, I think it's just the remote. So here's what we'll do. We'll go ahead and again, there's the sensors. Yeah, my grandpa one time accidentally backed into the door one time. As you can see, there's the motor. I just ran it up for a test, so we're gonna go ahead and run it up here using the button here. So alright, so here we go. I will now run the door up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, open up. Don't want to run up too much. We'll run it from the outside here. See, this is the remote. Oh yeah. Alright. Nice, now we're right back up here with the remote. Safety beam sensors. I'm not gonna test them right now, but no, right down one last time. That's gonna be, here we go. 1, 2, 3, close. Alright guys. Tell you what. We'll run up one last time here. Actually, yeah, we'll do it one last time. And that's gonna be it. I don't want to run the motor now. Alright. Alright guys, that's all for that. Alright guys, and before we ask, if you wonder what this is an alarm system. So if you open this garage door in the night and the alarm, my grandma has a security alarm, and if it's on in the middle of the night, if you open this door and her alarms turn on, it will set the alarm off. So yeah, again, there's the push button, and there's the opener. Alright guys, that's all. I'm not going to run it up again because I don't want to burn the motor out again. Alright guys, so there y'all go. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll probably try to make another one next time I come back down here. Until then, thanks for watching. Until then, that's gonna be it.